today we're going to compare 8 different HVAC softwares and rank them based on pricing, mobile use, dispatching tools, and how well they support a real heating and cooling business. The 8 platforms we're going to look at today are QuoteIQ, ServiceTitan, HouseCall Pro, Jobber, FieldEdge, Workiz, Surface M8, and JobNimbus. So here's a short version of the ranking. QuoteIQ is the best overall HVAC option, and it offers flat pricing, fast dispatching, and no surprise per technician fees within the user limit of your tiered plan. ServiceTitan is a more enterprise level company for more than 20 technicians. It offers one of the deepest sets of HVAC features, but to know the full price, it requires a service call. For solo HVAC technicians, QuoteIQ Essential and Service M8 are both possible starting points. QuoteIQ Essential starts at $29.99 per month. For businesses working on a tight budget, Workiz offers a free level, while Service M8 has a low starting cost. FieldEdge offers strong HVAC-specific depth, and it was designed for HVAC and plumbing service companies that includes tools for service agreements and QuickBooks desktops. So now let's go straight into the comparison.